Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment methods to your Airbnb profile. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Airbnb, then go to your profile, and at the profile section you just have to scroll down a little bit, and at the account settings, the second option is going to be payments and payouts. Now if you tap on it, it's going to open up the payments and payouts section where you can see all these different tabs. Now to change or add a payment method to your profile, you just have to tap on the payment methods, and here you will see your list of different payment methods. And if you want to add a new one, or if you want to remove one, you just have to tap here, and you can add credit or debit card, and it's going to open up this page, and you can go on and add your card number, expiry date, CVV, and postcode. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.